Hey tech enthusiasts, buckle up, because today we're diving deep into the digital trenches with CrowdStrike, the cybersecurity firm that's been in the hot seat lately. If you haven't been paying attention, you're in for a ride. First up, CrowdStrike Holdings Inc. Tor has been hit with a class action securities lawsuit, and it's grabbing headlines. Levi and Korsinski, LLP, a notable securities litigation firm, is spearheading this case. The core of the complaint is that CrowdStrike allegedly made false statements and hid some crucial details that led investors astray. Do you hear that? That's the sound of lawsuits marching into the room. Here's the scoop. Between November 29, 2023 and July 29, 2024, CrowdStrike supposedly didn't conduct proper software testing before rolling out updates to its primary product, Falcon. This little oops-a-daisy led to major service outages for a broad swath of their clients. Basically, imagine a massive tech tripwire that sent millions of Windows computers into shutdown mode. Not nice if your recipe for success includes keeping hackers at bay and keeping the lights on, right? To make things spicier, these unceremonious rollouts created significant reputational hits and legal risks for CrowdStrike. And right when it seemed like they couldn't take another hit, bam! Here comes the class action lawsuit, seeking to recover losses for these disgruntled investors. Want to get in on that lawsuit action? You have until September 30th, 2024 to request the court to serve as lead plaintiff. And no worries, this legal hotline doesn't cost you a dime, just a whole bunch of drama. Now, for those of you considering a fighter bird swooping down on discounted stocks, let's pause. Could this dip be your ticket to potential gains? It's true. Bad press can often drive a stock price down to a tempting valley. Sure, CrowdStrike shares nosedived following that global outage fiasco in July 2024. Can you blame them? The event was akin to a cybersecurity apocalypse, impacting countless Windows machines worldwide. And while CrowdStrike had been basking in a high stock price at plus 40% year to date, they quickly found themselves with a more modest plus 8%. Rickety roller coaster. Build your portfolio muscle, folks. But here's the twist. Their fiscal second quarter results still look solid, with a 32% year-over-year revenue bump up to $963.9 million and turned around operating income. However, the pesky July debacle was too tight against the quarter end to completely tank their earnings report. Slide into fiscal foresight. Revenue estimates were down from $4 billion to a slightly unhappy $3.9 billion, with noticeable projected declines in adjusted income as well. CrowdStrike, despite its recent turbulence, is still a major cybersecurity player. Their Falcon platform might have taken a reputational hit, but a lot of clients are pretty embedded in their ecosystem. Swapping platforms ain't as easy as changing your Netflix password, you know? Long story short, while the current scandal and legal shadows aren't painting sunny skies over CrowdStrike, this cybersecurity heavyweight isn't down for the count. Sometimes bad news can be the setup for a good story, decided by your patience and risk appetite. What do you think is ahead for CrowdStrike next? Risk worth taking or bear market bear trap? Stick around, because this digital drama is just unfolding. #Cyber Showdown. Thanks for watching to the end. Remember, this is just one story from our full daily show, which includes all the other news and an analysis of the day's tech market activity. If you found this video interesting or insightful, then please like, subscribe, and share it with others. Your support is greatly appreciated. Catch you later.